Hi, I'm going to show you how to retrofit electric mirrors to your Honda Civic EG, and later in the video I'm also going to give you a free wiring diagram. Let's go!
You're going to need electric mirrors, switch for the mirrors, wiring harness to connect the switch and the mirrors, some old wires so that you can extend your new harness, a bunch of basic tools, and of course, electrical tape. Start by removing the door trim carefully. Now remove the interior plastic covering the bolts. Now you should be able to see the 3 hex nuts holding the mirror, undo them and remove the mirror. Install the electric mirror, install the nuts that are holding it, tighten the nuts and push the wiring connector until you hear a clicking sound. Now we get to the wiring diagram. I'll leave it on for 5 seconds so that you can always come back and pause the video to read it. Now, all the cables for the left mirror are yellow, but they have differently colored stripes: black, red and white. I have tried to look for cables that look as close as possible to this, so I've got green for the black stripe, a red cable for the red stripe, and white for the white stripe. The next thing you should do is decide where you're going to run the wires from the door to the body of the car. There's usually a plastic cap in the door intended exactly for this purpose. Now we need to connect and isolate the wires. They need to be long enough in order to reach the control switch. The next thing you should do is group the wires into a small loom, add additional insulation where it could rub against other surfaces, and adjust it to be the correct length but also a bit loose. Okay, now double check your wiring diagram and continue with the control switch. In a Honda Civic EG, the black wire with a yellow stripe is the power and the completely black wire is the ground. The other 5 wires go to the mirrors and control them. You can take the power from the cigarette lighter or from the radio loom, for example. What is important here is to find a power source that is only active when you turn the ignition key. Now it's time to connect the wires for the mirror control switch. After you repeat the same steps for the other mirror, you will be ready to install the control switch, turn the ignition key and test if everything works as it should.
Congratulations! Now you have electric mirrors. And if you liked the video, press the subscribe button and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!